Howdy folks, it's Hansom, and today we're not going to be doing a camera. I finally got a lens for y'all. I know I post a lot of bodies and stuff like that. Oh, there comes the part, it comes flying in. Before we get started, if you could hit that like, subscribe, be highly appreciated. You will not be disappointed if you like cameras, because if you don't like cameras, then you probably won't subscribe, but that's cool. So let's go ahead and jump in it. Your boy came in late today. I only got about 30 minutes before people come in. Hope everybody's staying positive, staying focused. You know what it is. Today we have a RF Canon 24-70. This customer dropped it off and saying it is not zooming. She is correcte mundo. Arriba. I'm fired. So no zooming. Usually with zoom lenses, there is a key zoom that basically is connected to the zoom ring, and two screws usually, or one screw has it sit in, and it just basically is like it goes eek-oop, eek-oop, just like that, and sits in a barrel, and then that's what controls the zoom barrel. As you can see, the only way you can zoom is to push out. Sounds horrible. Let's look at the part first and foremost. Part number is YB29279-000. Yes, the last three digits make a huge thing, because if there is a 001, 002, that means, I believe, it means they have done modifications to the same part number. Let's go ahead and controlled substance. As you can see, it cannot stay in my hand. Sorry, I put lotion on for y'all. Oh Lord. Until it sits in a groove. Before we jump into it, let's go ahead and hit it up real quick. Tools of the day. It's only right we started off with me being fired. You ain't seen the video, go watch it for y'all to click clack at, you know? My curved tweezers and my straight tweezers, I believe this is all we'll need. Heads or tails? Heads or tails? Just joking. Let's go ahead and start this off. So one thing I like to do with these Canons is lift out the cover right here. And you can just lift it. You can see that it's being held by plastic clips. Just give a little eegop. You know, don't you know. All right, we're gonna go ahead and take off these two screws for the contact piece right here. And we'll set them inside of there. And if you notice, come on, magnet, there's three holes. 1, 2, 3. The middle one is just a pin to help you put that back on. So we're gonna take these 4 mount screws off. Oh man, magnetization is not working. Where's my magneton at? Yeah, if I could have a little magneton come out and do a collab with Pokemon. My kids would like that. Gotta catch 'em all. It's alright, I've been fired before. Not just the rear mount comes off when you do this with these RF lenses. Make sure that contact right here is in. Lift up, and I try to keep them the same, but when you're taking it off, just remember, hey, you know, the red line goes with the autofocus. Boom, shakalaka. All right, so we're gonna take this main board off first. Squeeze up in here real quick. Gots to be more careful. So main board has to come off so we can get underneath that. We're gonna lift that latch up right there. I'm gonna try to stay in y'all's vision and not get my 8 head up in there. It's kind of hard to be able to see from way back here, Billy. Go get the binoculars. These latches look and feel very, very sensitive, fragile, all that good stuff. All right, we got those, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're gonna leave this one there. We don't need to touch that right there, okay? We got one here. It's just one screw holding this main board in. Doing a great job, Canon. Yeah, you are. All right, now that we got that out, we're gonna take off this piece right here, this cover where it says 24-70 and got that autofocus, manual focus. And apparently this person wanted to do manual focus. Ooh, you can hear something rattling around. This is gonna be fun. Before we do this, there is a ring of fire. Just go ahead and set that over there. Disregard ring of fire. So you can see, I believe it's what, 4 screws? Let's see here. You don't have to take all the screws out. I know that for a fact. Let's see here. We'll see here. 2. I think this one goes. Yeah, this one looks like it is. Oh, Lord. So you can see there's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 screws. And gee golly willikers. You can see right here. Okay, good. It came out that easily. You can see this broken piece here. It was sitting there and, oh wow. That's broken metal, people. How does this stuff happen? I don't know. Only the camera gods know. But you can see that piece, identical. Especially sitting like that, you can see it just was right there. And it's broke, boy. Let's take these 2 screws out. Boom. Round those up. Oh Lord, don't get lost in there. Alright, so as you can tell, this is broken. Keep up the good work. I don't advise putting lotion on before repairing. Alright, so, oh Lord, it sits up and goes into this groove right here. Set it in. Line it up. Holy mackerel, let's see. And I don't even know if this, oh man. The zoom tubes could be messed up as well. I don't know. We're about to find out. And I just ordered that part off of a whim. A whim, I don't even know if that's a thing. Let's see if this, let's see. Oh. No way, dude. Alright, that's way too easy. The old EF versions were so difficult. That is insane. Let's tighten these screws real quick. Looks like they had like Loctite on them. Boom. Let's go ahead and put this stuff back together. Let's see if it goes like this. Alright, all the flex cables are sitting out. Let's put these screws in. A ring of fire back in. I know, it's not a ring of fire. Dun, 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 dun. Oh yeah, y'all go check my website out, man. We finally got it up and running nice and neat. If you want to see my face is all over the thing. Really didn't want that. I'll set that up in there. Then we are going to gotta get all these flex cables present. We're gonna crush them. Alright, we sit up in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Throw that screw up in there. And to be honest, I don't remember that part. I could look in my how much that part was. Let's put this back together and I'll tell you the price of that part. I mean, it can't be more than like 26 cents low key. Alright, so let's reinsert these bad boys. You're being a little booger, aren't you? Come on. Work with me now. I don't have time to replace the flex cable that comes from the depths of Hades all the way to the planet Earth. Like, come on, bro. Bro. Oh wow, that was a little too easy. Remember, the red goes near the autofocus. Dang, did I get that first T? Let's see. Can't start. Look at that. It zooms. Make sure that's in place. We're going to let's just pop that back in. That's insane. Insanely easy. Here, let's test it. Trusty our pizzle. Right. Oh, manual focus. Gotcha. We're good. Y'all don't forget to hit that subscribe, like button, please. That was quick, fast, in a hurry. Holla at your boy. You know what it is. Stay positive, stay focused, and peace. I'm no joke, you know, I'm no joke, y'all. I'm no joke, you know, I'm no joke, y'all. I'm no